wonderful case studies of Kano model we are going to discuss from this book called Total Quality Management. One is given of EDTC, another one is Mercedes-Benz, how they implement Kano model and how they succeeded. And as you can see, the chapter number 4 is customer involvement. Basically, this chapter has got all related to customer, how to satisfy the customer, what is the factor affecting the customer, and so on and so forth. Various other sub chapter also it has got. Now we are talking about customer involvement, and 4.1 is customer perception, and so on and so forth. And you will find the customer satisfaction model and how to treat the customers, what are the factors. Now you can see that 4.4 Kano model for customer satisfaction or customer delight, right? And then furthermore it talks about that what are the layer the Kano model has got, like must to have, good to have, taken for granted, and so on, right? And then further to it, there is a detailed discussion about Kano model, what are the attribute it has got, and what are the application of Kano model analysis. And then further to it, the 4.5 addresses about customer perception of quality and so on, right? And then customer feedback and so on. And then service quality. Under the service quality, you will find the further classes, and then customer retention and so on, right? Now here we go, the first case study of Kano model given in 4.12, and it is customer satisfaction survey or EDTC Chennai, India, electronic test and development center. EDTC, generally you all know it is known for testing and calibration of electronic devices. Back in 1996 they wanted to implement total quality management when it comes to customer satisfaction. They found that Kano will be the better suit for them. They came with the 4 parameter: promptness of service all the way to quality of test and calibration reports and all that. These are the 4 parameter. You can also call it as theme. And then the scale is 1 to 5, and 1 is poor and the 5 is the excellent. And as you can see, the score being given for each respondent. There are 12 respondent or surveyor who have taken the survey, the 12 clients. And as you can see that 5 score being given by 8 respondents, and so on and so forth, right? And an average, the aggregate average for this one is that in each parameter P1, P2, P3, P4, and each year they have continually improved. For example, P1 3.55 to 4.27, and then further to it 4.36 and so on, right? So this is the case study of the EDTC. And let's go to case study number 2, that is car owner and satisfaction, Mercedes and Benz, right? And Mercedes, while it is very great feedback and experience, every customer has enjoyed it, but there is one factor called price. The average price for the new continues to rise, and all that. This was the feedback given by it. But whereas all the other parameters, for example, driving experience, comfort, value, styling, all that, and audio controls, everything, customer very very happy. The only area where they have to focus is on the cost, and again they reduce the cost of the manufacturing, and then how they can add the value add and then further to it, right? So the same thing, this is the great case study of Mercedes-Benz, how they implement Kano model, right? I hope these 2 case studies, like one from the EDTC, the other one is from the Mercedes-Benz, have given the great insights. And please do like, share, subscribe my channel. You have wonderful day.